Hello guys, my name is Kishan and today we are going to look at the create table as statement in Oracle SQL. So if you ever have a requirement or you ever had a requirement such like you want to create a copy of an existing table, then how would you do it? You have a table in your database with say 1 million records and now you want to just create a copy of that table with all the data. Then how are you going to do it? You know, one way is you just take the script of the original table, put it create a new table based on that script, and then copy all of that data from one table to another by using an import export, using the Excel sheet or anything like that. Or Oracle has given us a beautiful statement called as create table as statement, through which you can just copy the whole table and it will come into the new table. So this statement is something like, say suppose I have this employees table. This table has lots of record. Over here there are 107 records, fine, and there are many columns in this. Now this table has lot of constraints also, such as unique key, foreign key. I'll just expand this table script, create table script, and we can see. So I'll go in SQL. As you can find, there are not null constraints, there is unique key, check constraint, primary key, foreign key. Also there are lots of comments on the table columns. You have an index, everything. So says this is a pretty important table in your database and you are going to run an update query on this table and you don't know how that update is going to be. Okay, so what you want to do is just create a copy of this table and put in your database so that if anything goes wrong you can use this copy. Now the very simple statement is something like you have to write create table and give the table name. This will be your new table's name. So I want to give name as say emp copy. Okay, then write the as keyword and then write the select statement. Now I want to copy all of employees table, so I'll write select star from employees. When I execute it, I just hit Control and enter. When you execute it, it says the table is created, the new table is created. So I'll just select from this new table and show the data. Select star from the table name. As you can see, the table contains all the data. Fine. Now I'll open the definition of this newly created table. What I want to show is basically that when you create a tables through this way, only not null constraints are copied. Fine. See, in our employees table there were lots of constraints, so those constraints do not get copied. All the data gets copied, the structure gets copied, but only with not null constraints. Your primary key, unique key, check constraints or indexes, all of those are not copied, so you can just recreate them on this newly created table. Fine. But the structure that gets copied exactly the same and the data gets copied. As you can see, there are 107 records in this table. Similarly, you will have 107 records in this table. Fine. So this is one way through which you can do a create table as and then copy all of the tables, all of the table and the table data. Now say suppose you don't want to have all the columns, you want to have only few columns. Say suppose I just want the employee ID, the first name and the last name, okay, from this table employees. So I don't need everything, I just need these 3 columns, and let me say I want one more additional column such as say today's date, that is the copy date. So I'll give sys date and it is copy date. So I want to create a new table such way. Okay, then the statement would be like create table, the new table, so that is emp underscore copy underscore say 2 as, and this select statement, select employee ID, first name, last name, sys date and copy date. When I create this, you can see employee copy 2 is created. So when I execute it, when I run a select star on that new table, you can see that the new table now contains only employee ID, first name, last name and the additional column that I have kept, that was of copy date. So you can just not create the table, you can even create it in your specific way. Take the only columns that you require, put a where clause over here and take only those data that you require. Say where department ID is equal to 90, nothing else, I only want those tables. I'll just create this as copy table 3, and when you select data of this copy table 3, you can see only employees with department ID 90 have been created. Now say suppose you don't want any data at all, Then how to do it? Just give some false where clause, like where 1 equals to 2. Now this condition will always be false. Okay, let me put a star over here. It does not matter what we put, anyhow none of the data will come. So I'm doing something like select star from employees where 1 equals to 2. So 1 equals to 2 is a false condition. When I create a table with that, as you can see, I've created called as emp copy 4, and so the table is created with no data in it. So using this create table as statement, you can replicate a complete table as it is without those check constraints, primary key, foreign key, and indexes and all. Only not null constraints are copied. Or you can create table as statement with new columns, or with specific data, or with no data at all. So this is a very helpful statement through which we can copy an existing table, not just from our schema, from different schemas also. So I hope this video was very informative to you guys and you learned something new in this. Please do like, share and subscribe. Please do comments about the video in the comment section. I would really appreciate it. And please do like the video if you have enjoyed watching it. This is Kishan signing off. Thank you.